Hello guys and welcome to the channel once again. Today in this video I will be guiding you on how to sign up for a new mining project which has just been launched. Okay, it is not even up to 24 hours. Okay, so let me take you back a little. Okay, so currently, as you can see from here, pi is trading at $2.74. And for those of you who don't know about pi, the majority of people or the majority of pi holders currently, they got it for free. Many people holding pi for now, many of them many of them got it for free through mining. Yes, through mining. And they didn't mine pi using a computer, they just used their smartphone. That is how easier it was. So today in this video, I'm going to guide you on this new mining project which have just been launched. Okay, so as you can see now, pi is trading at $2.74. And for those of you who missed out on pi, and maybe you are now hearing about pi and you still want to join, okay, you can still join. There's still a chance to join, and you can start to accumulate, let me say, a few pi tokens, for yourself. Maybe in the future, pi price may be even, bigger and huge than what we have today. Okay, so you can sign up and then start to mine free pi tokens for yourself. But remember, the mining rate is very, very low. Is very, very low. Okay, but you can still mine and get something small for yourself. Okay, so you can still position yourself in the pi ecosystem. So without wasting much of your time, and let me put this through. For those of you who want to join pi, okay, you can check the description of this video. I will leave a link, okay, which you can tap on it and then you can get yourself set up for the mining of pi network. But let's focus on the purpose of this video. So there is a new mining project in town, very, very new, and the earlier you jump on this, the more coins you can accumulate. So without wasting much of your time, let me put you through. Okay, let me show you how you can get yourself registered on this project and start mining this particular coins. So guys, the name of this particular network is called Delta. Okay, Delta. So we are going to mine the Delta coins. Okay, so I will leave the link in the description of this video. Just click on it. So when you click on the link, it will load, and when it loads, you can read the information out here, and then when you are done with that, you click on download 100 APK or download on the App Store. The app is currently not on the how do you call it, the Google Play Store yet. So you just have to click on download 100 APK, and it will give you a warning, but it is not harmful. Okay, so go ahead and click on download anyway, and here we have our file being downloaded. So let's wait. So it's done. Let's open. Now we install. Okay, now installation down. Let's click on open. So when it's open, this is the interface you are going to see. So just click on country and search for your country right here. So I'll search for my country, Ghana, and you put your number here. Okay, so let me put my number there and continue. So once you input your phone number, click on next, and it will bring you to this page. In the first box, you have to provide a referral ID, okay, or a referral link. So I will leave that in the description of this video also. Just copy that and paste it here. And here in the second box, you just have to type your nickname. So you can type in your nickname or username, okay. And remember to input in the referral ID and then click on next, and you will be here on this page. Here it says confirm information. Make sure the information you provided, your number, your nickname is correct, and you click on SMS verification. Click on get. So when you get here, all you gotta do is switch from your country to global, universal, okay, and then you just have to check one of the numbers here. You have Hong Kong, Britain, and the last one. So let me go with Britain, okay, and then you click on next step. Let's wait for it to load. So here, when you get here, what you have to do is you copy this text over here, verification string, okay. So you have to copy that, but first let's copy the number here. Okay, you don't have to copy the number. Let's copy the verification string, okay. You copy that, and let's switch from SMS to WhatsApp, okay. And then let's click on launch WhatsApp program. Click on it. So here you have to use the number you used, okay, in signing up for your account. Use that number to send this particular message or text to the number you selected, okay. So let me send it, and let me go back into the app. And when you get back here, click on I have sent verification string, okay. So now let's wait for it to load. So verification successful. Please pay close attention to the steps. So now we are done registering, okay. So now we can start our first mining, okay, section. We can now start our first mining section. So it says tap to mine delta coin. Mining has stopped. Every 24 hours is a mining cycle. Click on the lightning icon to start a new round of mining. So you just have to click on the icon right here, okay, and then you click on mine, just like we did on Pi Network. This is very simple, okay, but the registration is a little bit confusing, but take your time and then do everything correctly, okay, and then you can start mining. As you can see, the mining rate is very high. You get 21.3 data coins per day, I think. Yes, so take it serious. The earlier you get in, the higher your chances of accumulating more tokens, okay. So that will be all for this video. Please subscribe to the channel in case of any update on this particular mining project. I will be the first person to update you. So subscribe to the channel and share this video for your friends to also jump on this project, because just like Pi, this is going to be even better, okay, and bigger. So let's hope for the best. See you in my next video. Bye bye.